Hi friends, my name is Ekta Srivastav. I'm from Upscale Reality Gurgaon, and today I'm here to talk about Gurgaon real estate market, to be precise, and how the market is going to turn up in next few months, because we are seeing towards the financial year end also in next few months from here. What is happening, what is new, when to invest and how to invest, what is the correct pricing, correct payment plan, correct timing, and how we can leverage our time, our market, our products, what are the brands to invest in, what is good, what is bad. We are going to do the complete analysis of all the projects out here, and moreover we're going to see most of the projects live. We will talk about the location, we'll talk about the payment plans, we'll talk about uh, the sample apartments, how for an end user there are a lot of things which matters, and it should matter for our investors also, because at the end of the day they want to liquidate at the right point of time, and this liquidation will only happen if the project is right, if the layouts are right, if the location is correct, what is happening where, it the fundamentals should be absolutely bang on for a right kind of liquidation, and the brand should be also involved. So given more time and again I will come up, I'll show you what is happening in the market, and we'll talk about what our clients are talking about, uh, when they are planning to liquidate, what kind of payment plan is best for an individual level or for our end users also. We're going to talk about how soon, what is the reliability, credibility. Uh, Most like it's a virtual tour of Gurgaon that we will be covering in next couple of months for you. Let's see what we can cover. Let's start today. Bye.